To connect your wallet on DexScreener, start by opening DexScreener.com in your browser or app. Look for the Sign In or Connect Wallet button, usually located either at the top right or bottom left of the screen. Click it, then choose your wallet provider, like Phantom or MetaMask. Your wallet will pop up and ask you to connect and sign a message. Once you see the prompt, approve the connection in your wallet extension or app, and your wallet will be linked to DexScreener. If you want to add a wallet for portfolio tracking without connecting directly, you can do that manually. Go to the Portfolio section on DexScreener and click Add a Wallet, giving a name for easy reference. Next, open your actual wallet, like Phantom, and copy your public wallet address from the Receive section. Paste this address into DexScreener and click Add Wallet, and your tokens will now appear in your portfolio view. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more